Hello everyone, today we are going to make clay. You don't need to buy clay at shop, you can make at your home. Let's see how to make it. First we will add 3 spoons of flour. Then the second spoon I am putting. This is third spoon. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add 2 spoons of oil. Let's add 2 spoons of water. Now let's mix together. Now I'm gonna mix with my hand. You want to mix the dough like this as a ball. See, now you're done. Now we will make 2 balls. Now it's time to add the color. Now we will mix it. Our clay is ready. You can add any color and make clay. See, I made different colors of clays. You can make shapes as by your wish. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.